Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to grow onions from kitchen scraps. Now, you see there's a whole onion here. What you do is cut off the bottom part about 1 inch, or what's that, 2.5 centimeters. Yeah. So you cut it off there, and then you've got two sides to it. That's obviously the top, and that's the bottom where the roots start to come out. You'll see the difference. And then what you do, you put it in a cup with water. And then you'll see, this is one we put in about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then you see the roots start to grow through. Then what you can do with that is each onion, but this is the part that you'd often throw away most of this anyway. What you can do with this, it grows the roots and it grows into different stems. It grows like this. Usually when it reaches about this, we take it out and plant it in there, or you can plant it directly in the garden. Okay, this one was about this size, and then we planted it about 3 weeks ago, and look how it's grown in that 3 weeks. So that's definitely ready to go in. Then what you do is you need to cut through gently each where the stems are, and then you peel it. You can peel the onions off here like this without taking the roots away. And you peel it like this, and then like that, and then you see as I've cut like this one here, this is another one we had in, you cut it like this, and then it comes away with the roots. I've cut here, you see, and then each one has its own roots. These you can even split further. You can take this away and split, or you can plant it like that. It's probably better to split it, but it's quite delicate. But there's three stems there. So what I'll probably do is cut that one. And then it's only got two little roots, but that's fine, it will grow. And then what you do then is you can plant this and plant this one directly in the ground. Let's take that out there. Just ease it out there. And then we can do the same with this one as well. If there's not many roots and you're scared of breaking the roots, you could plant it together. It will grow and it will form bulbs. Each one is a separate plant, so they each have. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the garden and show you how to plant it. Now we come over to the garden. Okay, I've made a few holes, and we put in some of this normal fertilizer. It's a general fertilizer for plants. You can get the fruits and veg. It's a 232. It's a good mix. Okay. And then we put some into the holes. Using the ground a little bit so the roots have a place to grow. Now this is what we had there. We cut it all into smaller pieces. Some we cut into twos, some we cut into this. Okay, so then we just plant it, yeah. Just got normal garden soil, a little bit of compost added. Also you have plant food, and we also use compost as well. This is compost that we made ourselves. It's nearly ready. It's looking very good. There's some there, there's some there. This is close to ready. We put some new grass on it recently, but it'll break down quite quickly. And that's it. We've got it planted in there. I'll press it down. And then obviously we need to give it water, especially when you've replanted something, because the roots can sometimes be in a bit of stress. We give it quite a bit of water now. I'm going to plant all of them, give it quite a bit of water. And also these little pellets with this is activated by water as well. So give it lots of nice and food so it can grow nicely. And then here's some that we've grown a little while ago. You see they make bulbs. I think this one is ready. This one is ready to come out. Okay, they're twins. There's two, yeah, these two are ready. See how the leaves wilt, the top wilts, which is like the tomatoes they do when they're ready to pick. Then there you go, and there's two tomatoes, two onions, and then we can even cut off the bottom there and replant that and let that grow again. But you can see from each tomato, from each onion, oh, is it tomatoes? From each onion, you get about 4 or 5 plants which can grow 4 or 5 onions from each one, which is perfect. Okay, and and we've got quite a few here growing. Yeah,